My name is Sasib. I'm working for the DaTo Tech Dubai. Today I'm showing our device DaTo DAS722 on Honda Accord 2012 model. And I will show how to diagnose a car. Okay, first of all, we are going to the software of DaTo. Now this is our main interface. You can see here diagnose, service, update, data and workshop. Go to the diagnose. Region showing American, Asian, European and Chinese. So now it's a Honda Accord from Asia, means it's from Japan. So we'll go for the Honda. Honda is here. We select Honda. Automatic selection, manual selection and special functions that inside this car. The what this machine given us on special things. First of all, we go for automatic selection. As you can see, the VIN number, the model, year, country USA. This car is from USA. Here you can see quick test, system selection. So we go for the quick test. Common system, all system. We'll go for the all system, which will check all the cars. Are you for? Yes. Okay. You can see it start scanning. There's no fault in engine, PGM, F1. So in full system scan, the car, the system will connect to the ECU and it will be checked one by one. The system is available or not. If available, is it fault is there or not there? So it will be checking one by one, but it will be check all the system. Back have the 3 faults. You can see SRS have a 3 fault. Now we're diagnosing all completed. I will show you one by one. So you can see there is no fault, engine, transmission, ABS. It has a fault in SRS, airbags, gauge is fine, body electrical fine, immobilizer 4WS, ATTS. So these all fine. So we can go to SRS fault. We can see what fault are there inside. Now it's communicating to a specific fault to SRS. Read DTC. So it's there. It's a permanent fault in front passenger side airbag inflator. So it's permanent fault. Also we can take the printout of it. So it's saved. Try to clear the DTC, but as you see before, it's a permanent fault, so it cannot be go. The light will come back again. Okay. You can see the light. I started the car, light not gone because it's a permanent fault. You can see there. So this is a special function side. Data list, we can read the data. This is a common system. We're going back. Also, we can selection by manually. So, I will show you. Quick test system selection. You want to check it the system. I will show you one by one as a SRS that you already seen that there's a fault inside. Again, it's communicating with the ECU. Now we are in the system. Read data stream. See, two faults are there. Driver side and the passenger side. Both are the front airbag inflator issues. You want to check the system information. SRECU ID is there. You can see it. Okay. Special function also I will show you inside for this car. Oil service light reset, steering angle reset, battery resets, ABS bleeding, throttle learning, TPMS, EPF, EMO and injector coding we can do on this car. This is Honda. This is our VCI for DaTo. DAS722. Immobilizer also you can do it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We just give you a small introduction on this in this device. As you see, the more vehicle inside for Japan. Asian means Korea, China, India, Japan mostly. Then we see the Chinese vehicle are there. MG is there, Great Wall is there, Geely, Chery is there. In the European, you can see BM, Bugatti, Citroen, Jaguar, Land Rover. These cars you can diagnose as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you soon with the other brand. Diagnose from DaTo. The 722 is this one. We have a 723 as well. Thanks a lot.